Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series. I've just got a little correction to show you, just a slight slip of the pencil on the Grade 3 2014 past paper C. On question 3, we were discussing correctly beaming notes, and I've done all the thinking and shown you how to beam those notes correctly to reflect this time signature. However, in bar 2 it's been well spotted there, folks. Thanks for that. Just while I was chatting away to you, I've got a bit carried away with my ruler there, just the pressure of recording under the camera there. I do apologise. And so you can see that I've made this quaver, this 8th note, into a 16th note or a semi-quaver, and so I just need to get rid of one of those lines where I've just got a bit pencil happy. So if I just show you what I should have done there. So that's a quaver, so that will just need one beam to join together to this group of 4 semi-quavers, which you can see require 2 beams. So I do apologise about that, but there we go. A little bit of a eraser and we job done, sorted. So I do apologise. Thanks for spotting that, folks, and I'll look forward to getting stuck in to your studies next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.